Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet security. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to a cold wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, keeping your assets safe is crucial, and a cold wallet is one of the best ways to do that. So, let's dive right in. First things first, why bother with this? XRP, formerly known as Ripple, is a popular cryptocurrency, but leaving it on an exchange like Coinbase exposes it to risks like hacks. A cold wallet stores your crypto offline, making it much harder for thieves to get their hands on it. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Set up your cold wallet. In 2025, options like Ledger or Trezor are still top picks. Download the latest app, connect your device, and follow the setup wizard to create a new wallet. Make sure to back up your seed phrase securely, it's your digital lifeline. Step 2. Generate your XRP wallet address. Once your cold wallet is ready, open the XRP app or interface on your device. This will give you a unique address that looks like a string of letters and numbers. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the Coinbase website or app, and make sure you're using two-factor authentication for extra security. Navigate to your XRP holdings. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Select XRP from your assets, click on Withdraw, and enter the wallet address from your cold wallet. You'll need to specify the amount. Remember, Coinbase might have network fees, so check those first. Step 5. Confirm and verify. Coinbase will send you a confirmation email or code. Review everything carefully, then approve the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transfer to complete, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your cold wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. Congrats! You've just secured your assets like a pro. Always remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check details to avoid losses. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.